Okay. Yeah, now it's good. I'm live in both places. Hi, Smokey. Good to see you, Ma. Hey, Tokozani. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Okay, so we are live for 30 minutes. And greetings from Belgium. Good to see you, Jory. And then after that, I have to run. Why do I have to run? Yeah, because of work. I had a reason. Anyway, 48 first or 41? If you're talking about Bitcoin, I'm looking at 46, but you say 48. I think maybe higher first because the market is getting more and more bullish. So I would say maybe 48 first. Thoughts on XYO? Okay. Oh, no, not okay. I forgot the policy. You need to be a Telegram member. You need to be a member in my community. You need to mention your Telegram username, and then I can do it here for you. So that is how it is. I'm not going to repeat that. Hi, bro from UK. Good to see you. Good to see you. I am. Okay, pkaa, can you mention your Telegram username? Because there is not so much chat, so I can actually go and check. A lot of people talking about Shiba and Doge thoughts. I mean, they have a proper army, Craig. They are called Shiba Army, and then there is another army called Doge Army. There are few coins that have armies, so I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of people are going to talk about it. And you have seen how people talk about XRP as well, $1,000, $10,000, and then when market moves and XRP doesn't move, what they say is that it's the maxis that are pumping it in a fake way, and this is the real way. I mean, all kinds of stories are out there, but the on-ground reality is that market is decided by you and me. Retail investors, institutions still don't have that kind of big impact. They will have an impact after ETF. ETF will destroy you as a retailer, and then all those people who are praising BlackRock, they will lose everything that they had as an opportunity. Okay, what was I looking for? I was going to check his username if he's going to share one. Yeah. Bitcoin at 80K in December 31st? No. Tokozani, share the live. Thank you for sharing and encouraging. I appreciate that. Crypto is essentially player versus player, right? No, crypto is not player versus player. Crypto is essentially it's you versus basically the exchanges, but now it's going to be institutions as well. So it became you versus exchanges when they introduced futures. That's how they liquidate you and they take away your money. So this is very odd. Anyway, and this was, I think, 2018-19 when they introduced it. Before that, crypto was not against any giant. It was all about collecting assets. It was like collecting gold. You would go and find a mine, you will dig and you will find a gold and you will keep it to yourself, and that's how it was. When they introduced margin trading, future trading, it became trading against exchanges, and now as institutions, they introduce ETFs. It's going to be you in crypto versus them, and it's going to be a bigger fight. Now you have so many enemies. Okay, you have shared your username. Okay, this is JOERI. Okay, I see you there. Kanji, Tia, even Bichikin. Oh, you okay? I'll do Tia for you. Okay, request is placed. Okay, what's your opinion? Is there any comments here? Live chat? No, that's good. What's your opinion about Jito? We hold it for now. Oh, Jito, it will pump and dump on you. So hold and then go down with it. Crypto is essentially, okay, this is covered. XRP thoughts. I have posted the video on XRP. I think XRP has achieved my last target. I don't know. Oh, that was Solana. Sorry. So 73 cents. I'm waiting for 73 cents on XRP. After it hits 73 cents, only then I can say something else. It has achieved 65 cents that I had for XRP. So congratulations on that part. But 73 cents is still pending. So we have 3 days of bullishness left. After that, the bullishness in the market is going to come to a pause. The market is going to get into observation stage, and it's going to get into observation stage for 3 days. I think it's going to be 11, 12, 13, and we will see what the hell happens. So market can dramatically drop during these days. It can be anything. Only Jerome Powell, I don't know what his name is, how it's pronounced, but only he knows. He knows what he's going to say. Hi, Nilavi. Thank you for the money gun. It's always so good to have you here. Hi, Shah. Hi, Gonzalo. Good to see you. Soul Thoughts. Soul has achieved my other target of $73. Now I'm thinking it's going to fake out till 76 and then maybe start dropping. And these are posted, okay. Can you do automatic signals soon for VIP? Automatic signals, I will introduce them once I hit 1,000 members. Right now we are sitting at 330, and every time it drops, I'm not going, I mean, I charge $10 for VIP and still people cannot hold. So still it's too much for them. So I'm not going to over deliver even further. I mean, why improve quality over and over again when on the other end, on the receiving end, people are not doing their job. So, and as you can see, I don't only share altcoins on spot and futures. I share shitcoins, pre-sales, and everything. Everything that crypto has to offer, I do that pretty much, all of them. I just don't do airdrops. That's the only thing I don't have there. But still, people find it problematic. So that's why I don't want to stretch even further. If people can do their job, then I will do it as well. Okay, can you look at here? Yes, it is requested. Don't worry. Are we bullish? Yes, for 3 more days. Yes, we are. Cardano pumped hard. Expectations. Okay, Cardano, I have covered it in a video. Expectations, I think I shared a target for Cardano as well. First, let me verify your Telegram username. Just a second. Where it's there. Thank you, Nilavi, for the roses. Abdullah, this is your Abdullah. Thank you, Nilavi. Oh yeah, I see you there. Last seen 1 week ago. So you don't even use your Telegram. Okay, thank you so much for all the roses. So Cardano's next target, I can tell you easily. Just a second. I have mentioned that in the video as well. You can watch that video when it's there. Let me just find out ADA. The hell shaker. Okay, so 57, 63 cents. Thank you for the roses, Nilavi, again. 63 cents is the max that I'm seeing on Cardano. And it's just because it's getting bullish and bullish and bullish. Personally, I'm staying away from Cardano at this point because it has gone really up. So after 63 cents, I will reevaluate and see what happens next. Thank you, GoldFX. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it on Cardano. Okay, what do you think about future of XRP will look like? If they don't win the case, 1 cent. If they win, maximum is $5. You think we will pull back to 62 before we go again? What 62? You're talking about which coin? There's so many 62s out there. Okay, I bought Cardano. I think if you're in Cardano, book profit. Hi, any thoughts on Deso? It's new on Coinbase. No idea. No idea. Haven't heard. Nilavi sent money gun. Yes, she does. Nilavi sent a heart. Thank you, Nilavi. Do you trade futures? Yes, I do. I do all kinds of stuff. Soul thoughts. I think I just shared Solana thoughts. it hit my target, and yeah, I mentioned all that stuff. Thank you, Mary Joy, for the rose. What's the best token we can hold it for next bull run? There's so many out there. Bonk, it's a meme. Pump and dump, stay away from it. Good afternoon, brother. Good afternoon, Anwar. Virtonim, I don't know what that is. Thank you, Darren K. I appreciate that. What are your thoughts on XRP? 73 cents, again, the same story that I have mentioned already. Once it hits 73 cents, I can offer something else. I had a dream of 80 cents, but XRP is so slow, it cannot move fast. So we have 3 days of bullishness. I really wonder if it's going to go and do that. It might become Cardano and start pumping out of the blue. Nicole says, hi Shah, nice to see you again. Hi Nicole, it's good to see you again as well. Tia should be here. Yes, Tia is here. Tia was requested. So Tia's support is at 8.44. As long as the support holds, you can expect Tia to go towards $10. Then it can go towards 11.1. Right now, it is going down towards its, what the hell is it? Going towards its support. So it's in a critical place. If it breaks, you can expect Tia to actually break below $8 as well. And then you will see Tia at $5. Where can I find your answer to my question, Tia? So I'm new. Oh, I just mentioned it. Thoughts on constellation DAG. Okay. Thoughts means you want fundamental. I can do a quick fundamental for you. Meanwhile, let's go down. Big hello from Montreal. Hey, I have a lot of friends there in Montreal. Hello. Marin Kadi says, how much is for VIP? It's $10. I charge $10 for it, and you can go, I mean, it's all automatic. You can go to my community. It's called Crypto News Media. I have 1100 pinned messages there, and I have a bot. That's how you find out this is real or not. And you ask premium, the bot guides you what to do. So it's all automatic. You wouldn't be dealing with me. Someone has shared airdrop and no one has bothered banning them. Seriously, I have 3 mods there, and then someone has shared a telegram on top of it. Oh, it's just shared now. Okay. Hope my Santa Grok recovers. Okay, someone is shilling. I don't allow links in the telegram. I don't want people to get scammed, so I will always keep a check if I see someone doing funny stuff again. Okay, you can find many guides regarding this. Airdrop maybe next month. I need to delete this as well. I'm live here and people are doing this. Reported. Oh, hell of God. Crypto calendar December. Anyway, I will get back here. People got me busy for no reason. Anyway, if you click on the pins, this is how you know 1100 pin messages are there. Okay, no scammer can copy that. It's not copyable. And there is live chat. And anyway, what was I doing? Yeah, I was going to check Deso. Was it Deso? Yeah, it was DAG. I was going to check that. DAG. I hope it's worth checking. Okay, it has pumped 50% in 30 days, 190 days. DAG is a protocol that uses a direct acyclic graph architecture to achieve consensus. That is in theory incapable of infinite scalability with DAG protocol, and custom state channel is driving evolution of smart contracts. Okay, integrated into DLT, which is their ledger technology. The company was launched in 2017. Okay, anyway, so it's a protocol that is trying to help in scaling with the smart contracts. So those who want to launch projects, they can launch it through DAG as well. Something that Cardano, Solana, Ethereum, Binance, Avalanche, there are like thousands of thousands out there that are doing it. Its market cap is $70 million. So the question is that, can DAG do it? Because DAG has seen a pump and dump kind of situation, and I call this Burj Khalifa pattern. So it really needs to come out and perform. Generally, the problem that I have with projects that are not strong from the perspective of revenue, they don't keep the charts up and above. They usually have pumps and dumps in it. Anyway, let's not get there into discussion. I'm running out of time. Okay. How much is VIP? BK to 68, 62, then pump. Okay, you're sharing information. Thank you for your precise response. No problem at all. I don't know if you're talking to me or someone else. Anyway, I'm thanking for no reason. Let's see if there was something on YouTube. No, nothing. Thank God. YouTubers are good people. They're not saying anything. Good morning. What do you think about Shiba? It's a meme coin. It pumps out of the blue, then it dumps, and then it goes to sleep for 1 year. You trade futures? Yes, I do. Thoughts on Bonk? Meme coins, stay away from it. It's a new coin, went to $800 million on Solana. It was new, fresh blood. People got excited. They thought, okay, something new meme on Solana. Narrative was really sexy. People bought it. And I mean, people are looking for something. They did the same with Grok. Elon Musk came and he said he's creating AI called Grok, and it went to $200 million. So what do you think about Matic? Matic is a good project. I think it's a good technology. The only pain point that I've shared about Matic is that it's run by Asians. Asian doesn't mean Chinese. This is a misconception. I don't know, for some reason around the world. Generally in America, I'm just blaming the whole world for it. We know we are Asians, but we are Afghans. But people don't know that part. So it's run by Asians, those who live in Asia, and that is the only pain point with it. Otherwise, if you look at what they do, it's something that they're doing from, first of all, quite long. So they have established themselves in the market, but as they don't have good team in place, when it comes to delivery, they always struggle. But still, when you look at the chart, their whole life, it's still holding up very well. So this was Matic's life. It went pumped here, and it didn't dramatically died here and created a line again. It's still holding up. So this is where you can identify good projects and they're delivering. It doesn't mean that if someone has gone down, it wouldn't come back. It's just that they can get their shit together. But when you look at Matic is holding up. Matic is still 19,000% profitable since its launch price. So after all that has happened, it's still way up. So Matic is a sensible project. It's just that the team, if they could bring in some more people, that would be nice. Chantel says, hi Shah, I hope you're well. Thank you so much, Chantel. You are the only one who asked that. Okay, and what was I doing? I was checking that. Polkadot link, I cannot respond to that. I have covered them in my YouTube videos. You can watch that, or you can share your Telegram username so I could verify you are in my Telegram. Then I can respond with a TA. What currency should I buy right now in short term to profit in 1 to 4 days or a week? The moment you call crypto a currency, it shows that you don't know what crypto is. There's only one currency in crypto, and that is Bitcoin. The rest of the crypto are stocks. They are not currencies, even though people call them cryptocurrencies. What do you think about Egeld? Polkadot, someone commented in live, were filtered. Nilavi sent hearts. Okay, that's a lot. Soul covered. Evening bro, evening room, good to see you. Papa Bull says hi. Mary Joy says hi Shah, TG username. Okay, I think you are in the TG as well. But just, I need to verify where the hell did it go. Search. Oh yeah, you're there. Okay, can you do polls? Polka starter, okay. Yes, thank you, Atib. Sorry for saying it wrong. Thank you for the money, Atib. Where was it? Yeah, polls. So polls, I can do that for you. Just a second. I can actually request and read comments. That would be faster. do a Polka starter. Yeah. It was shared as a hodl coin in my VIP around 34 cents. So those who are doing hodling with it, they are still holding. You might be a VIP as well. I don't know that part, but I'll do a TA on that. It pumped to 80 cents or something, and then it corrected to 60s, which makes sense. I mean, it did it almost a 3x, but and people, they take out their money because they have made 300% profit. So if you have invested $10,000, you made $30,000, you will get out, right? Not everyone is like me who decides to hold, but I have other reasons. I've explained that last night. Okay. Apt Aurora, you think XRP will go back to 62 cents before it go again? Oh, from that perspective, that's hard to say. I don't know what the hell happened to my voice. Okay, yeah, now it's better. It just needed a cleanup. It is possible, but I think as the bullishness is limited, it would make sense that XRP would rather push towards 73 instead of 62, because if it's going to go towards 62, then it will just start going down. That means that then the 73 cents journey is over. From the story's perspective, considering we have 3 days left, look, I always weave a story. I need a storyline, I need a narrative for the market to move, and that way I can make my decisions in a better way. But of course, they all are my own decisions and my own stories that I weave, and then around that woven story, what I do is that I cook around it, and for me it works. So that's why, considering that there is 3 days left for the bullishness, then I cook around it. Then I say that 3 days are left. If market wants to stay bullish, it needs to go up instead of going down. That doesn't make sense. If you're going to go down, then when are you going to go up? Then that basically kills the purpose. So XRP going back to 62 cents, that doesn't make sense from the story's perspective. And that's how big investors, they think as well. I mean, you need to understand people need narrative. Okay, so Polka starter, oh, it went to 90 cents. Yeah, nice. Okay, and I didn't check. So now it's back to 63.94. Okay, it has first support at 60 cents, and then it has next big support as 51 cents, which is good because our buying is at 34, so at least it's above that. Polka starter has a fundamental news in Q1 where the team is going to start announcing things, and I'm hoping that then Polka starter will start pumping. They got trained in Polka starter team. They went to where they went, Lisbon. I think they went to Lisbon. They got trained, and so they went to a training where they train founders of companies on how to do better. So they got trained because they had a sorry for the language, they had a fuck up. So now they're going to basically improve and do things better. So this pump that we saw was in anticipation of that, because people don't want to miss out on it, or someone might have insider news what Polka starter is going to announce. But the team has not announced anything sexy on their own, because I follow them very closely. So yeah, because I mean, it's something where I'm invested. It doesn't mean that this is the best investment in the world, by the way. I'm not suggesting to buy Polka starter. I do my things for my own reasons. Thank you for the coffee. I think this is a coffee espresso. Darren became the team member. Welcome, Darren. Alex says, Jesus, I think you're talking about the coin, a meme coin. It was a religious trend. Jesus coin came, then Mary coin came, then I think Jehovah came, and so many others started coming down, and then they started doing translations. Okay, now let's go down. What about Edge Bar? It is on YouTube, but if you want me to do a TA, you have to share your Telegram username so I could see you are in a member. And still, after using this approach, I have over 100 messages to read. What are your thoughts on Dodge? I don't do memes, but I had shared that Dodge can pump, and it has pumped and hit some targets. What about Cardano? I have mentioned the target of that already, Papa Bull. That was 63 cents as the maximum stretch. But Cardano, personally, I'm moving away from it because it has achieved all the targets that I had for it. What currency should I buy? Okay, it's the same question. Hello, Shah. Are we going to see a pullback before ETF approval? 12th of December is going to decide that. If there's going to be a pullback, it's going to be a massive one. It needs to be a big correction, and everyone would like to sell their bags before Christmas and New Year. They would like to sell them in profit, get money out, celebrate, go to Florida. So that's the usual story. Mohsin says render an auction. Mohsin, you need to share your Telegram username so I could verify you are a member in my community. It's a free community, so it just reduces the request because everyone just posts a request. They say HBAR question mark, then another one says GTO and question mark. They think I'm a machine. Okay, can you please explain GEC, global environment? What? I don't know what is GEC. When is the rally finishing? 3 days. That's what I think. Joy Amsterdam, good to see you again. Hello Shah, how are you? I'm good. Can you explain the date 12th and 13th? So 12th and 13th, the date I've explained it on multiple videos. I think no one finishes watching the video, an unfortunate thing. So when you go to my Telegram and you ask the bot/Fed, it gives you the information. So it tells you that on 12th, it counts the days and time, and it tells you that this is on 13, this is on 13. So it's a CPI, then it's a PPI, then it's FOMC. All of this stuff affects the markets, not just crypto. It affects the stock market as well. It affects pretty much every person who is going to make decision. They all are looking at it. That's why, as this is an economic event, it has an impact throughout, because all those who have big funds, they're going to make a decision. And I'm looking thoroughly into what the government of US is saying, and then what the feds are saying. You need to understand, Fed is a separate entity. Maybe some people don't know that. It's not part of the government. So I would rely more on what Fed is saying compared to what the other entities are saying, because at least this is a bit reliable information. It's independent. Of course, you can influence everyone, but at least from the outside, it looks like an independent entity. If they're increasing rates, that shows to me that when the government of US comes out and says that the labor market is improving, congratulations, the recession is over, all that is just bullcrap. It's not true, because if it had been true, you wouldn't be doing what they are doing right now. It doesn't make sense. Generally, you are fighting inflation when the overall situation is bad, but I don't know. I need to dig deeper into this. I'm not a person who has studied economics, by the way. I am a person who understands finance in and out. I can take anyone head on with finance, but when it comes to economics, I'm not a person who has studied it. I always used to joke about economists. And I'm not going to blame, like, there is a statement that I posted, and that was a disaster. 5 economists. I must find this. Okay, economist. This new leader. What is his name? This new president, Biden came out and he said that 5 economists. Okay, I cannot. There is a tweet. There's a Facebook post. He said 5 economists, PhDs or something. Oh, award-winning economists. He said that they have suggested that things are going to be nice and everything, and after that, it's only a shit show that we have seen. So it was right after he was selected, and then he came out and he said that 5 award-winning or Nobel Prize winner, I don't know what language he used, but he used the word award. So that's why I don't generally rely on economists, because I think they're like poets, people who are poetic, and they are really not in this world, they're somewhere else. Same goes for the people who are doing economics. If you ask them how to solve world problem, they will tell you to kill half of the population. It's part of their books. So Is a VIP 10 USD or CAD? It's 10 United States dollars. But the bot will tell you that too. Also, do you share trade signals in VIP? That's exactly what I do there, with stop loss, take profit, entry point, and all that stuff. Okay. I have 8 minutes left, guys. Okay, Salam, kindly Avex. Okay, you need to share your Telegram username. Mobile phone is mirror image again. Thank you, Atib, for the hat, and Forever for the rose. Anyone know why XRP has moved upward today? I mean, why not? Let me drink a bit. Oh, someone is playing with the ideas. They have requested an idea on XRP, and then the bot created a chart. And it's 9 hours ago. So sometimes the bot gives very old information. This time it's 9 hours ago. Funny. Anyway, what's your opinion about HBAR? Where is your Telegram? Okay. GTO, good morning. Hi. Is AIOZ and Fetch AI good to buy? AIOZ was shared with me by someone when it was sitting at, I think, $60 million market cap. It has doubled or more. At that time, when I looked at it in the live, I mentioned that, and I think afterwards I mentioned it 2 more times as well. I couldn't study it in depth because time is one thing I usually don't have. But when I was doing it on the live, I really liked that project. Fetch, I don't know what they're up to, but AIOZ, it looks like a good project, but because what they're doing is unique. I have not seen anyone else apart from them doing CDN. So that looked very nice. I think CDN stands for Cloud Distributed Network. Basically, they make your website available throughout the globe locally. So if your main server is in US, if you're living in India, you're accessing it from India, so it will come to you from India instead of going to US. So they keep a copy of it everywhere. Thank you, Nilavi, for the gift again. And so many gifts. You need to stop gifting. That's a lot of gifts for today. Thank you so much. What is next for ADA? I've mentioned that as well. AI dodge, hey, stay away from it. How to join VIP? Go to the Telegram, ask for the word premium. The moment you say premium, bot will attack you. AVEX analysis, can we buy now? I have covered that in YouTube, please watch that. You said that Sol will go down and their phone is killing them. Did you change your mind? Aladdin, I think you woke up really late. Go and watch yesterday's video or video before that. When I said that thing, that was really long ago. I change what I say every day. If the market changes, I share supports and resistances. The moment it breaks stuff, I change my narrative. But if it doesn't break stuff, I stick to the narrative. So please go back and watch past 2-3 days videos. I have a Solana video dated every day. So I cannot lie to you. It's posted according to the date. And that is for the long-term situation with Solana. Solana has made a loss, $19 million this year. They have cash flow problems, but people don't look at it on the surface. They hear that, oh, bull run, they start buying. So that kind of stuff, they kill projects in the long run. It's that kind of a situation where in old days, in 90s, 80s, 70s, they used to say that, my grandfather, he died all of a sudden, he was all good, healthy. He was standing and talking, and then he collapsed and he died. It's not like that. There's already something going on with him. There's already a problem. It's just that we didn't have that kind of technology at that time to identify so many diseases and problems ahead of the time. So that's why we were not able to address it. Same as the case scenario with crypto, as a lot of people who are in crypto are not educated. They don't study. None of the people I have met has ever told me that how much money which business is making, what is their cash flow, what is their profit and loss statement. They don't know any of that, which means they're blindly investing. So all these big giants, as slowly they will start collapsing and dying, everyone will be wondering what happened, because they don't understand that these people, they have employees and they need to pay salaries for them. Businesses cannot just continue to run on selling. Like, what's his name? XRP has 48 billion coins. Let's say XRP continues to sell this on their investors for next 5 years, okay? Because they sell around $1.2 billion every year in dollars, yeah? And then eventually they will run out of their bag, hopefully. Or actually, if they continue to sell and the investors continue to buy, they can continue that with 10 years. But that's pretty much what XRP is doing, because they don't have source of income. Their only strategy of making money is selling their coins. That's how they survive. They have over 600 employees. So you have to pay these 600 people, and they are in expensive locations. It's not like these employees are in lower earning countries like Nepal, China, India, Afghanistan, Pakistan. It's not that kind of case scenario. So yeah, anyway, with guys I also mean girls. CEO Musk. Someone joined and started doing comedy. Okay, what do you think about VeChain? You need to put your Telegram. Would you hold on investing in XRP at this time? I don't do holding and not on XRP. If someone has a lawsuit going on, I wouldn't hold. I love Binance. I support them as no one would support. When it dropped to 224 for the first time, I took along with it to support. But when it comes to holding, if someone has a lawsuit, I will not buy them and hold. I will not buy and hold even BNB or Gala. If someone has a legal issue, I would stay away. What do you think about Chainlink? Again, okay, I'm not going to read the ones that I mentioned without Telegram, because I don't have time anyway. I'm buying more of each top 10 crypto, ready for the bull run. That's the most awful way of investing, but that's okay. Because Luna was part of top 10 once. Thanks for the videos, no problem. Not stocks, you mean tokens? No, I mean stocks. They are stocks. Eventually people will get the narrative. That's okay. They can reword things to say something else. It's like the word used, tokenization of the real world. You don't need to tokenize things. You can just introduce NFTs, and that is pretty much tokenization, which is way more simple. Let me give you an example. So I have a project in my mind where I'm going to offer real estate to everyone. So there will be properties in Afghanistan where I buy them, because in Afghanistan you can get a property for $30,000. So the ownership for smaller properties are possible. So what happens is that if you own that property, you will be making rent on it. Okay, so it's making like $100 a month, 200, I don't know. Generally the rent that I've seen around the globe is 3% annually. So what I would do is that I would introduce NFTs. Why? Because if I introduce coins, how the hell am I going to receive next amount of money? So I issued tokens in the private sale, pre-sale. You gave me the money for the first time. Okay, the money came, I bought the properties. What about next? What about next time I'm buying properties? What will I do? Sell my coins on you, dump the graph, or issue new coins, mint it, continue to produce more and more coins and inflate it? That thing doesn't add up. Tokenization of the real world asset is a disaster. It doesn't work. The only proper way of tokenization is NFTs, because you can create like 10,000 NFTs. You can charge $10,000 for one NFT, and every time you need money, you issue from that supply of 10,000 NFTs, and people will go and buy. All those people who are holding, in my case scenario, I mentioned 3 NFTs, $30,000, you get the whole house. So even when I flip and I sell, you make money on that as well. You don't like it, you sell the NFT and you get out. With coins and tokenization, you're only going to complex the process, and it's not going to work out. I have looked at the tokenomics of pretty much all the ideas out there, and they're a disaster. So those who come out and they talk about tokenization through tokens, it's not going to fly. It's good to hear it, people who don't understand, but you cannot tokenize real world assets. The only way to do it is through NFTs. That's why NFTs were created in the first place. Anyway, I have to go. Too much time. Thank you so much. If I have missed anyone, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I have to scroll through this. It's just that so many people spam and that's really, really unfortunate. Thank you, everyone. You take care. I shall see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is possible. Yeah, Sunday is not possible. Yeah, tomorrow. Take care. Bye. Thank you so much.